But now I am 44 years old. I know, right? Stop it. And I have never been married. At my age, you have to mention this. Because people have done it 3-4 times by now. Right? And bachpan mein, in my 20s, I wanted to be badass, independent woman. With my own house, my own car, my own watchman. I have. It's a huge flop. One slap in my face only I got. Because I live alone. I have to message in the family group saying good morning. So they know I woke up that day. At night after a show late, I send live location to family group. They don't even ask for it. They don't even check it. Last night I was worried for myself. Because nobody knew where I was. I also didn't know where I was. I was in Chembur. I'm like, where am I? Do y'all know where Chembur is? I still don't know. Like I said, I'm from Colaba and I moved to Bandra because I wanted autos. They don't want me. They're like, nahi jayega. The first time I moved to a small 2-story building where everybody was offices. I was the only resident. So at night, they would go home. I was home. One night, I wanted to eat bread, butter, jam. And the jam jar wouldn't open. I tried everything. I put it in garam pani. I hit it on the marble slab. I took a knife and stabbed at it. At one point, I was sawing. Nothing happened. Then I went down to watchman Bhaiya. He was sleeping, thinking of his gaon. Bhabhi, sorry, kheti. I'm like, Bhaiya. He's like, kya hua? I'm like, jam. He's like, Sali, 2 baj raha hai. He thought emergency. I was like, emergency. He opened it. Now I have moved to a new building. This building, everybody lives there. I have neighbors. My watchman has a phone. You know these buildings where the watchman has a phone? He'll call and be like, koi aaya hai. I'm like, unko bolo, main ghar pe nahi hai. Then he's like, Swiggy. I'm like, bhej do. Every year, crazy rains in Mumbai. Last year also mad rain. So much so it is coming inside my building. In my floor, in some electric cabin, meri fati. I called up the watchman. I'm like, Bhaiya, pani aa raha hai. He's like, मालूम है. I'm like, kuch karo. I took video and I messaged my neighbor. I was like, are you home? She's like, yeah, what happened? I was like, this. She has husband. Very important. He is best friends with the building secretary. He called him up. He's like, bhai, pani aa raha hai. He's like, sorry bhai, abhi band karata hai. Thank you, bhai. Good night, bhai. Love you, bhai. In 1 minute, that water stopped flowing. This is why we need men in our life. To talk to one another. Just to communicate with each other. Because they only understand their language. Bye, bye. भाई तूने बोला मैंने किया भाई. Bye, I love you. Right? And to open jam jars. Have you seen if you give a man a jam jar, he feels manlier. Right? He's like, yeah, I can open jam jar. Give it up. Taulia. It's not me, it's greasy. So at 44, I have come to realize that you can be badass, independent woman for everybody else. For one man, you need to pretend to be an abla nari. Just a damsel in distress. Suitcase. Escalator. Burning. I have yarn for men also. Men, y'all have to pretend to be leaders. Not hey leader. Not like that. You be like, I got this. मैं हूँ ना, मैं करेगा. I got this, babe. And if you don't got this, if you don't have leadership quality, no problem. Call another man. Right? Right? You're like each other so much, talk little extra. And be like, bye, Bobby ko kaise impress kare. Then he'll be like, जूते रैक में जाते हैं. तौलिया सूखने को जाता है. और खाना रोज टेस्टी है. See girls, we women are born leaders. And now we will do it. But only for one guy. Just one. Anything he says, dinner, anything he says, you have to behave dumb. Right? Because now I'm only talking to the girls. Because guys like dumb chicks. We all have girlfriends who behave dumb in front of boys. These bitches are not dumb. Smartest hoes in the city. They learned bachpan mein. I had a friend in school, boys told her cricket bat is held like this. Sharp side. All the boys wanted her. Me standing on the side going, औरत का नाक काट रही है. चूतिया औरत है क्या? दिख रहा है बैट फ्लैट है. ऐसा मारेंगे. What the hell is it? Now at 44 I have to learn to do it. It's not easy. Right, but boys, you all have to bring out the in us. You all know this? Let's talk to the married people again. Why not? So you know how to make woman feel hai. He's like, नहीं दीदी तू बता. मैं बताएगी जरूर. मेरे पास है answer. Alright, anybody, sir? 14 years, you know how to. Okay, basically, I'll tell you all. I told very good. Good, you all don't know. Correct. Basically, you have to plan date night once a week. Somebody said that's too much. And it wasn't a man. दीदी is like, मेरे मर्द के साथ मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं चाहिए हर हफ्ते इतना टाइम नहीं चाहिए. Okay, you don't do, sir. We'll ask other boys. You have to plan date night once a week where you be like, I will plan everything. You just have to show up. Already she's like, I don't have to think. Then be like, Friday night, I will book a table at 7 p.m. at Foo. I'll send a car. Send Uber, no problem. Y'all all, I know this boy is like, where will I get car from? I saw it in your eyes. Send Uber. Y'all all know women can book Uber, yes? But if you send, then we will shave in places we can't even reach. And that night you will get laid. Not because you sent car, not because you booked table, but because she shaved. You know how much kantara that is? तो थोड़ा चाट लेना. I like saying this joke. Just for everyone to be like, kya karna? That's my favorite part. Also, girls, see, like I said, we are born leaders, right? Don't do it. Don't do anything for that one guy. Just one guy you have to be dumb. One. Right? Because if you do it once, then he will never do again. It's like they become dumb chicks. Then he's like, तेरा बर्थडे मैं आ रहा है, मेरा बर्थडे मैं आ रहा है, मेरी माँ का बर्थडे मैं आ रहा है. Right? That's why just for one, anything he says, I don't know. All right, last before I go, I think we're almost done. Sir, do you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. So you know women are emotional beings? Very good. Then why do you all fuck with our emotions? Y'all all know women are emotional beings. Y'all fuck with our emotions and then ask why we're being emotional. You made me like this. Women are living their emotionally secure lives. La 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 la. Then you come and you're like, I'm not sharing live location. Why, bitch? Where you going? And you may not want to share. You may not want to tell her. But just know, she already knows everything. You think it, she knows it. If a woman is asking you a question, she already has the answer. She just wants to know, tu kitna chutiya hai? And then you tell her also, main itna chutiya hu. Alright guys, that is the end of the show.